The search bar on the Properties tab is very flexible and powerful. A basic search in this bar will be a starts with search, meaning that, say if I search for anything that begins with an OR, it will be searching every field in the Properties table for a word that starts with OR. In this case, we only have the city Oradell, but if we have a state, properties in the state of Oregon, you'll get all those as well. So you want to be as specific as possible. Let's clear this off. You can clear it off by clicking on the search term and clicking yes. Now let's say we want to do a search for all properties in Lopatcon, as well as ones that start with the number 5 and the address. So we are doing an N search. So in Lopatcon there are 2 properties, 53 Lake End Road and 59 Lake End Road, that meet my search criteria. Now that is an example of an N search, so it contains both the search terms. Now let's do an OR type of search. Let's clear this off, all of it, by clicking the icon. Now let's say we want to do look for properties that are in Oradell. Or, now to do OR, you have to hit the Control key and the O key on your keyboard, and it'll pop up an OR word, or Whippany. So now you'll see that I have a property in Whippany and a property in Oradell. Now another way you can do a search is to be specific on a field. Like in my example before, if I wanted to search for all properties in the state of Oregon, if I did OR, it would return cities like Oradell or addresses that have OR in it. We don't want that. So what we need to do is say state equals, I don't have any Oregon field, but if I do NJ, hit enter, now it'll return all properties that are in the state of New Jersey. Clear that. You can also do an OR with this, say state equals New Jersey or state equals New York. It all works that way. So now let's clear that off. And another way to do a search is if you want to do a contains. So you want to search for, say, addresses that contain avenue. So we put a % before the word we are typing and then type in av. Enter. Now we have 2 properties that contain the word avenue. So as you can see, the search bar in the Properties tab, and mainly throughout the entire program, is fairly flexible and powerful, and you can almost get every kind of criteria that you want to be displayed for a property.